So now we're gonna go and grab that piece, pop it right out. We're just gonna go ahead and push that all off to the side. We do not need it. We're gonna get rid of this spring. We're not gonna be using it. So now, let's pop this bad boy open. Boom skis, look at that. So we're gonna use the spring provided. Not gonna use the one that came in the original one. So we're gonna toss that on. That goes right over there as such. And then in the actual diverter, we're gonna drop in this large spring right there. And put the piston over the top of it. Now you're going to line up. You'll see a little groove right there. It's gonna line up with that. So, boom. It also comes with new hardware, which you're gonna make sure that you're gonna use, because obviously it's going to be now longer than the original. So it's gonna be a 5mm Allen head, and we're gonna go ahead and slap this on.